Factorising quadratics, right. Um, there's two different approaches. There's the just see it and figure it out approach, where you see, okay, 2x squared, what's the only thing that can multiply to make 2x squared? It's got to be 2x and x. Plus 3, well that could be 3 and 1, or it could be minus 3 and minus 1, but because everything's positive here, it's going to be plus and plus. So it's really just a question of which side the 3 goes. If we make 3 here, we get 3 times x plus 1 times 2x, which makes the 5x. So that actually works. If we put the 3 here, we'd have had 3 times 2x, which would make 6x, plus the 1 times x would make 1x. That makes 7x. That's not good. So the 3 goes here, the 1 goes here, job done. Now, some people just don't see things that way. So the backup technique is to use the quadratic formula. We've got a is 2, b is 5, and c is 3. So we say x equals a negative b plus or minus the square root of a b squared minus 4ac. And then we divide it all by 2a. And that leaves us with the square root of 1. So that's obviously 1. Doing this the long way. So we end up with minus 6 over 4, or minus 4 over 4. Which is obviously minus 1.5, or minus 1. How does that help us? Well, if x equals, I'll just write that over here, x equals minus 1.5 or minus 1, then it follows that if we factorize it, make it equal to 0, then in the brackets we'd have to have x plus 1.5 and x plus 1. And what would we do to turn this bracket into integer values? Well, we'd double everything in the bracket, so we'd make that 2x plus 3, because obviously x is still minus 1.5 for that to equal 0, and so we've got the same as what we had over here. This one is one you just need to recognize. It's a classic a squared minus b squared, and a squared minus b squared, as we all know, comes up every year, and it's equal to a plus b, a minus b, right? So what's a and what's b? What do you square to make 4y squared? You have 2y. And what do you square to make 9? That's 3. So that's 20 plus 3. 2y minus 3. Good job.